The Mediterranean diet is one of the most versatile diets you can follow. It allows you to eat almost anything you can think of. However, you need to make sure that you do so in moderation. The Mediterranean diet offers you plenty of versatility, and snacks are directly linked to many of our cravings. However, it would be best if you tried to eat as many healthy snacks as possible. If they are low GI, they are even better, and they should help you keep your calorie count limited and help you lose weight. Since you might find yourself in a position where you are not prepared with meals, you must understand which snacks are the healthiest and best to consume. This video aims to list some of the best snacks to consider. We will also look at the effects that these snacks will have on your overall diet. 6 snack options for the Mediterranean diet. If you are ever caught without your meal plan or meals prepared in advance, you should consider how the snacks you consider will affect your nutrition. Doing some research, we have found a couple of the top snacks that can be incorporated into your Mediterranean diet. These snacks should help you stay on track with your calories and nutrients. Fruits. One of the first snacks that come to mind when you think of the Mediterranean diet is fruits. Fruits are packed full of healthy minerals and vitamins that help you fill up most of the macronutrients. They are also tasty and low in calories, and you have a vast selection of fruits that you can choose from to keep you healthy. A healthy bowl of mixed fruits will provide you with plenty of energy due to the sugar found in many fruits. Additionally, it will complement your fiber intake and micronutrients to make sure that you stay on track with your goals. Having 1 or 2 fruits should also do the trick if you cannot find a fruit bowl when you want a snack. Whole wheat bread. Nothing is more frustrating than being hungry. Not only will it affect your thinking and how you go through the day, but you are more susceptible to eating things you should not eat. Whole wheat bread is a low GI option that is packed full of fiber. It is also versatile, and you can add almost spread or topping when needed. One of the healthiest combinations you can consider is eating a healthy slice of bread with avocado. You can also add an egg for additional protein, but avocado is considered a superfood packed with fiber. It is great for filling the hunger spot, and you can whip it up in just a couple of minutes if you want a healthy snack. Cottage cheese and crackers. While crackers are frowned upon by many health experts, it is not as dense in calories as some of the alternatives you might come across. Crackers are also great for adding different spreads that make them more filling and tasty. We have decided to add cottage cheese, especially cottage cheese that does not have any added fat. Not only is cottage cheese low in calories, but it is very high in protein. It will fill you up while contributing to your protein intake for the day. It should not take you more than a couple of minutes to whip up this snack. You can even buy the crackers and dip them into the cottage cheese if you are in a hurry or at work. Nuts. If you want to buy something healthy to eat on the go, you might want to consider adding nuts to your diet. Nuts are highly recommended on the Mediterranean diet, and they have plenty of contributing factors to your diet. Yes, they are expensive, but they will fill you up and provide some relief until you eat your meal. One of the main reasons for adding nuts is the combination of fats and proteins that they provide. Most nuts are packed with healthy fats that are great for your joints, and the protein content will add to your macros at the end of the day. 1 small packet of nuts should sustain you for a long period in your diet. Salads. Mentioning the word salad might sound like a cliche. However, salads are some of the lowest calories when you consider all the vitamins and nutrients they contain. You can whip up a salad in the comfort of your home or simply buy one from any food shop, and it should serve as the perfect snack for the person on the go. However, you want to make sure that you check the ingredients in the salads. Having some form of meat is a bonus, and the salad is turned into a meal that will fill all your nutrients. When it comes to flavoring your salad, you need to be wary when looking at salad dressings to ensure that you don't add too much fat. Protein powder. Protein powder is one of the best supplements you can buy, especially when training and looking to add to your protein intake. While it does not feel like much of a snack, you need to keep in mind that it has plenty of nutrients. These nutrients will give you energy and sustain your muscles for the time being. You need to be cautious with protein shakes and not overconsume them for snacks. They could lead to digestive issues. Final words. Sticking to the Mediterranean diet is easy when you consider what you can eat and your versatility. However, we would love to see some of your comments on which snacks you prefer to add to the Mediterranean diet. These are some of the best snacks you can incorporate when you are hungry and need to eat something. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel.